This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series, episode 33, part 1. In this video, we will discuss 40 MCQs regarding post-independence development. Before start, I will mention one thing. If you have not subscribed this channel until now, then please press the subscription button and the bell icon so you will receive the notification of a new video and you won't miss any video regarding the preparation of this subject. Let's start. First step towards Pakistan Constitution was, options are Lahore Resolution 1940, Objective Resolution 1949, June 3rd Plan, it is also known as 3rd June Plan, or Act of 1935. So second is the correct answer here, which is Objective Resolution 1949. The first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was inaugurated on, options are August 9, 1947, 10th August 1947, 11th August 1947, 12th August 1947. So the correct answer here is 10th August 1947. Second is the correct answer here. The first Constituent Assembly comprised members, options are 59, 69, 79, 89. So third is the correct answer, which is 79. The first Constituent Assembly comprised total 79 members. 79 members. Third is the correct answer, which is 79 members. The Objective Resolution was adopted on, options are March 10, 1949, March 12, 1949, March 14, 1949, March 16, 1949. So second is the correct answer, which is March 12, 1949. Objective Resolution moved by, options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Sheikh Mujib, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Abdul Rabb Nishtar. So Objective Resolution was moved by Liaquat Ali Khan. First is the correct answer. Liaquat Ali Khan is the correct answer. Objective Resolution states that future constitution of Pakistan would be modeled on, options are European pattern, modern federation, diplomatic principle, basic principles of Islam. So the fourth is the correct answer, which is basic principles of Islam. Objective Resolution states that future constitution of Pakistan would be modeled on basic principles of Islam. Fourth is the correct answer. The first Constituent Assembly was dissolved on, options are October 22nd, 1954, 24th October 1954, October 26th, 1954, October 28th, 1954. So the correct answer is 24th October 1954. Second is the correct answer here. The first Constituent Assembly was dissolved on October 24 or 24th October 1954. When Basic Principle Committee submitted its report, options are December 20, 1952, December 21st, 1952, December 22nd, 1952, December 23rd, 1952. So third is the correct answer, which is December 22nd, 1952. Third is the correct answer here. The Basic Principle Committee report suggested Parliament, options are unicameral, bicameral, multicameral, none of these. So the Basic Principle Committee suggested the bicameral to the Parliament. So second is the correct answer. Bicameral is correct answer. Who strived hard for the approval of Basic Principles Committee report? Options are Liaquat Ali Khan, Khwaja Nazimuddin, Quaid-e-Azam, Yahya Khan. So second is the correct answer, which is Khwaja Nazimuddin. He strived for the approval of Basic Principle Committee report. Who dismissed the cabinet of Khwaja Nazimuddin on April 16, 1953? Options are Sheikh Munib, Malik Ghulam Muhammad, Iskandar Mirza, General Ayub Khan. So second is the correct answer, which is Malik Ghulam Muhammad. Malik Ghulam Muhammad dismissed the cabinet of Khwaja Nazimuddin on April 16, 1953. Maulvi Tamizuddin challenged dissolution of assembly in court. Options are Dhaka High Court, Punjab High Court, Peshawar High Court, Sindh High Court. So fourth is the correct answer, which is Sindh High Court. Maulvi Tamizuddin challenged the dissolution of assembly in Sindh High Court. Fourth is correct answer. The Bill of 1956 Constitution passed by Parliament on. Options are February 29, 1956, February 28, 1956, February 27, 1956, February 26, 1956. So first is the correct answer, which is February 29, 1956. The Bill of 1956 Constitution passed by the Parliament on February 29, 1956. The Constitution of 1956 was promulgated on. Options are March 21st, 1956, March 27, 1956, March 23rd March 1956, March 24, 1956. So the correct answer here is third is the correct answer, which is 23rd March 1956. Constitution of 1956 was promulgated on 23rd March 1956. The 1956 Constitution had how many articles? Options are 232, 233, 234, 235. So third is the correct answer, which is 234. The 1956 Constitution had 234 articles. 234 is correct answer. The 1956 Constitution had how many schedules? Options are 4, 5, 6, 7. So third is the correct answer, which is 6. The 1956 Constitution had 6 schedules. According to 1956 Constitution, who was qualified to be elected as president? Options are non-Muslim, Muslim, Hindu, Sikhs. So correct answer here is Muslim. A Muslim can become the president according to the Constitution of 1956. The 1956 Constitution adopted which system? Options are bicameral, unicameral, tricameral, none of these. So second is the correct answer, which is unicameral. 1956 Constitution adopted unicameral system. In 1956 Constitution, Urdu and Bengali were treated as. Options are regional languages, official languages, national languages, B and C. So the correct answer is national languages. Third is the correct answer, national languages. When 1956 Constitution was abrogated? Options are October 6, 1958, October 7, 1958, October 8, 1958, October 9, 1958. So the correct answer is 7th October 1958. It is important MCQ. The 1956 Constitution was abrogated on 7th October 1958. First martial government was headed by. Options are General Muhammad Ayub Khan, General Ziaul Haq, General Azam Khan, Yahya Khan. So first is the correct answer, which is General Muhammad Ayub Khan. First martial government was headed by General Muhammad Ayub Khan. First is correct answer. Who promulgated second Constitution of Pakistan on June 8, 1962? Options are H.S. Suharwardi, Ayub Khan, General Musharraf, Zaid Bhutto. So second is the correct answer, which is Ayub Khan. Ayub Khan promulgated the second Constitution of Pakistan on June 8, 1962. This is important video because all of these MCQs are really important from the exam point of view, because these are related to the Constitution of Pakistan, the making of Constitution of Pakistan. So watch this video completely because it is important from the exam point of view as well. So the 1962 Constitution set up form of government. Options are parliamentary, presidential, unitary, none of these. So second is the correct answer, which is presidential. Originally, 1962 Constitution did not contain. Options are principles of policy, fundamental rights, objective resolution, A and B. So second is the correct answer, which is fundamental rights. Originally, the 1962 Constitution did not contain fundamental rights. The Constitution of 1962 provided for. Options are bicameral form of government, unicameral form of government, federal government, tricameral government. So second is the correct answer, which is unicameral form of government. According to 1962 Constitution, judges of High Court were appointed by. Options are President, Prime Minister, Legislature, judges of Supreme Court. So third is the correct answer, which is Legislature. According to 1962 Constitution, judges of High Courts were appointed by Legislature. When Ayub Khan resigned, options are March 10, 1969, March 15, 1969, March 20th, 1969, March 25th, 1969. So fourth is the correct answer, which is March 25th, 1969. After resignation, Ayub Khan handed over the control of government to. Options are Azam Khan, Yahya Khan, Musa Khan, Zaid Bhutto. Second is the correct answer, which is Yahya Khan. After resignation, Ayub Khan handed over control of government to Yahya Khan. Second is correct answer. When elections were held on adult franchise basis for National Assembly, options are 5 December 1970, 6 December 1970, 7th December 1970, 8 December 1970. So third is the correct answer, which is 7th December 1970. National elections were held on adult franchise basis for National Assembly on 7th December 1970. In general elections 1970, Munibur Rahman's Awami League won how many seats in East Pakistan? Options are 160, 162, 164, 166. So the correct answer, first is the correct answer, which is 160. In general election 1970, Bhutto's People's Party of Pakistan won how many seats of National Assembly in West Pakistan? Options are 84, 83, 82, 81. So fourth is the correct answer, which is 81. When Bangladesh came into existence, options are December 15, 1971, December 16, 1971, December 17, 1971, December 18, 1971. So second is the correct answer, which is December 16, 1971. Bangladesh came into existence on December 16, 1971. When Constitution of 1973 was proclaimed, options are August 13, 1973, August 14, 1973, August 15, 1974, August 16, 1974. So the correct answer is August 14, 1973. The Constitution of 1973 was proclaimed on August 14, 1973. Second is correct answer. When General Muhammad Ziaul Haq took over the government, options are July 3rd, 1976, July 5th, 1976, July 5, 1977, July 7, 1978, July 8, 1979. So don't get confused on this MCQ because it is a little tricky. So second is the correct answer, which is July 5, 1977. General Muhammad Ziaul Haq took over the government on July 5, 1977. The new head of state Ziaul Haq declared that one of the supreme purposes of his government was to make Pakistan a state. Options are democratic, communist, Islamic, progressive. So third is the correct answer, which is Islamic. According to the 1973 Constitution, the head of government is, options are President, Prime Minister, Governor, Speaker of National Assembly. So second is the correct answer, which is Prime Minister. Who was the first president of the first Constituent Assembly of Pakistan? Options are Maulvi Tamizuddin Khan, Sir Aga Khan, Liaquat Ali Khan, Quaid-e-Azam. So fourth is the correct answer, which is Quaid-e-Azam. Who was the first Speaker of Pakistan National Assembly? Options are Quaid-e-Azam, Maulvi Tamizuddin, Aga Khan, Sir Zafarullah. So second is the correct answer, which is Maulvi Tamizuddin. Maulvi Tamizuddin was the first Speaker of the Pakistan's National Assembly. What was the judgment of the Sindh High Court in dissolution of the first Constitutional Assembly case? Options are dissolution is valid, dissolution is void, dismiss the plea, refer the case to federal courts. So second is the correct answer, which is dissolution is void. How many amendments have become the part of 1973 constitutions? Options are 24, 25, 26, 27. So third is the correct answer here, which is 26. There are total 26 amendments in the part of 1973 constitution. So these are 5 questions to test yourself. You can just pause the video here and solve this question to know that how many of these MCQs you have memorized. And just share your answer in the comment section so I can know that these videos are really helping you guys. And if you have not subscribed this channel, then press the subscription button and hit the bell icon so you will receive the notification of our new videos instantly. See you in next video.